Let's be real for a second. How much time do you spend scrubbing floors, tiles, and hard-to-reach corners on your hands and knees? What if I told you there's a game-changing tool that does all that work for you, and it's telescopic so you never have to bend down again? Introducing the multifunctional electric cleaning brush, and trust me, this is about to become your new best friend. This isn't just any cleaning brush, it's a 7-in-1 powerhouse with a telescopic long handle that extends to reach every corner of your home. We're talking floors, kitchen grease, bathroom tiles, grout lines, and even your car. This bad boy handles it all with ease. The electric motor does the hard work while you guide it, so you can say goodbye to sore knees and aching backs. What really sets this apart is the versatility. It comes with multiple brush heads designed for different surfaces, so you're not damaging your tile while trying to clean your bathtub. And because it's rechargeable with a lithium battery, you're not dealing with annoying cords getting tangled everywhere. Seriously, if you've been putting off deep cleaning because it's too much work, this tool will make you actually want to clean. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? The link to get your hands on this amazing cleaning brush is waiting for you in the description and comments below.